Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up your Coinbase wallet. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your PC and then open your browser, and from there go to the URL section and search for Coinbase wallet. So here we go, Coinbase wallet. And guys, if there is actually an extension for it, let's check if there is an extension for it, which is gonna be so much better. So let's go for extensions, and here let's search for Coinbase wallet and search if it's actually here. So there is it, here it is, Coinbase wallet. It has more than 1,000 users, so you can click on here to add it to the extension, and here it is. So now let's check the extension. So now I'm just going to click over here, go here, and let me just ping it, and I will add it over here. Now, as you can see, this is the wallet. So create here a new wallet. So to be able to create a new wallet, you just have to click here and create a new wallet. So here we go. Now all you need to do is copy this phrase, and please guys, don't give this recovery phrase to anyone. So if you give it to anyone in his wallet, there is no way of you getting back your money. And so let me just write this over here, for example, and let me just see how it goes. So okay, indicates, so indicates what it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, dizzy break. Here, okay, dizzy. What do you mean? Okay, oh, only the first and the last one. Okay, so replace and submit. Here, all you need to do is put the password, so something like that can do the job. And here the same thing. So here it is. And after that, I agree and submit. And as you can see now, I have got your wallet is ready, and now you can claim your free username. So claim for free, continue. Here you can put your username, so something like so, and then I agree, and then you can do whatever you'd like. So for example, here something like that, and something like so, available, and then submit. And then you can here see add profile details to see your profile detail, upload images, etc. And here is your wallet guys. Here you can buy, swap, bridge, and send and receive money. And of course here you can add cryptocurrency to your wallet. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.